For the second project inside the Renzo piano, designed 595 Broome Tower in Soho, the studio has taken a playful and exploratory approach to the interiors of a 3-bedroom apartment for a family with young children. The project loosely references the works of French designer André Monpoix through unusual combinations of bold but desaturated colors against primarily neutral tones. Natural fibers and tactile materials are juxtaposed with sleek surfaces, while contemporary and modernist pieces are placed in tandem, altogether translating into a language that is clean-lined and organized but not too rigid or serious.